Yo, what's up mga ka-runners? So today, we have a Huawei plan again. So, easy run ulit, 30 minutes. And dito tayo ngayon sa may Dasma, Tagaytay. Pero di tayo pupunta ng Tagaytay. Dito lang tayo sa may UTS. Mag-grounds tayo doon. So, Huawei plan natin parang 6 sets ng tigpa 5 minutes na easy run. So come and join me. Pupunta na ako doon. Let's have some fun. Let's go. So andito na tayo sa UTS Road to conduct our easy run. So let's go. First set tayo, 5 minutes. 134 to 154. 6 sets para sa run natin. Then top with up 5 minutes na walk. Let's go. 1K 712, 2K 715. So ayan pala meaning ng UTS, Union Theological Seminary. 3K 736, 4K 725, 5K 721. So that's our 5K easy run here at UTS Road. So magandang takbuhan doon, wala masyadong tao, wala rin masyadong sasakyan. I'm just always saying, be active, be wealthy, be healthy, and always run for your life, for a better living. Let's go. Easy run done. Bye.